This is our patented white jade sculpting Gua Sha tool. It's made from authentic white jade, which is loved in traditional Chinese medicine for its healing properties. This tool has 5 sides to really hone in on targeting and sculpting all areas of the face. To start, take the V edge and go to the back of the neck. Pull up from the base of your neck toward the bottom of the scalp. Add a small wiggle movement at the top to help release any tension. We often hold so much tension in this area, especially if you sit at a computer all day. Move to the side of the neck to help release tension in these areas too. This helps break down blockages, and you'll be surprised how tender that area can be from stress. Now, take the combed edge and gently pull from under the neck down. Wiggle the tool side to side slightly once you reach the base of the neck. Take the V side of the tool again and start at the bottom of the center neck and pull upward toward your chin. Now take the long, flat side of the tool and start at the forehead. Pull from your brows up to the hairline with light pressure and a supporting hand. This is a great movement for smoothing out 11 lines and brow creases. You can repeat this movement by pulling along different areas of the forehead. Now take the pointed edge and start at the inner eyebrow. Pull along the top of the brow toward the temple, ending in a circular motion once you reach that area. This is a great move for helping sculpt the brow, but to also release tension that sits in the temple area. Now, use that same point and move under the eyes. This point is specifically made to be smaller, so you can really hyper-target under eye bags in this delicate area. Pull from the inner eye along the under eye out to the temple. End the movement in that same circular motion. Now you'll move to the W edge of the tool. Start at the corner of your mouth and pull outward toward the earlobe. You'll be covering a lot of surface area with this edge, but it's made in this shape to help define and contour features like the cheekbones. Keep the tool as flat to the skin as you can and always use a supporting hand. Add a little wiggle motion at the end of the movement to help break down blockages and really drain the lymphatic system. Now you'll go back to that V edge. This movement is a favorite from our customers because it hyper-defines the jawline. You'll start at the chin and pull outward toward the earlobe, ending in a soft up and down motion. This is taking a lot of that water retention, moving it out, and helping break down. For extra definition of the jawline, flip the tool to the side and use the flat edge to run along the underside of your jaw outward toward the earlobe and then down the neck. This may take a few tries, but once you get the feel of it, it becomes much more natural of a movement. This helps follow that lymphatic system, really helping the movement of qi. Now, go back to that combed edge. We're going to focus on the 11 lines again. Position the tool between the brows and wiggle back and forth, slowly moving the tool up and down to target that area. Now, we'll do the same for frown lines. This combed edge helps smooth the fascia and reduce the appearance of fine lines like these. This tool can be used for so many areas, and you can spend more time on specific problem areas to really hyper-target and get the results you're looking for.